A great way to explore Old San Juan is on the Old San Juan free walking tour. On this tour, you traverse narrow cobblestone streets, enjoy the beauty of the pastel-colored buildings and the Spanish architecture. This tall and imposing structure is part of the wall of Old San Juan. It protected the city from pirates and invaders for hundreds of years. The tree-lined streets with the tents is beautiful Paseo de la Policía. Zara, the owner and tour guide of the free walking tour, arranged for us to have a special visit at Sierras de Maria. Sierras de Maria is a nursing home and recovery center managed by nuns. It is also home to one of the most magnificent ocean views in San Juan. Sierras de Maria is not open to the public. Sierras de Maria is close to the governor's mansion, and you can see part of its blue facade here. We were also able to get a peek of the Sisters' Chapel. We said our goodbyes to the sisters and thanked them for the opportunity to come here. Walking the cobblestone streets of Old San Juan, I admired the colorful buildings and the stunning European-influenced architecture. Parque de las Palomas is known as Pigeon Park. People come here to enjoy and feed the pigeons. Here we visited another part of the old San Juan wall and a lookout tower. We also got another view of the governor's mansion. Across the street, Zara took us for a Puerto Rican ice called limbers. There is only one family in the city that still makes and sells this ice. We had lemon ice and boy was it good. Here Keith is walking through the only remaining gate of the 5 that originally existed in Old San Juan. Aside from Old San Juan's incredible history, cobblestone streets, and colonial architecture are the gas lamps that are lit all day long. I loved how they added to the charm and ambiance of Old San Juan. After the tour, Keith and I stopped at the El Convento Hotel for a drink. More than 360 years ago, this was a convent for Carmelite nuns. We enjoyed taking in the tranquil setting and the European style of this boutique hotel. After kind of a long walk, Keith and I finally found the courtyard bar and enjoyed our drinks. If you love architecture, you will love the Capitol building. This impressive capital of Puerto Rico is located in San Juan, just outside the walls of Old San Juan.